Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code is 0x800703f9. So how to fix this Windows Update for error? So firstly you need to search troubleshoot settings. Simply type troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, click on it. Now Windows Update, click on Run and wait some few minutes. This process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it and your problem will be fixed. If does not fix, so search CMD. Click on Run as administrator. This asks permission, so click on Yes. Now type here this command line. First command is sfc spaceless scan now. So type here first command is sfc spaceless scan now, and second command if you comment, so I will give in decision box this command line, so comment me. And first command is very easy to type. Second command if you comment, so I will give in decision box. After this command process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos, and share this video to all your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching again.